Hello, everybody. So welcome back to the channel. So as you guys know, I used to share the Housing Connect videos and how to apply for Housing Connect. Well, now we have something that is called the NYCHA Section 8 voucher applications, and they just opened up today. So I want to share this with you because I know there are many people who want to apply, right? So let's just get right into it. It says home. It says the NYCHA Section 8 voucher applications opened on June 3rd. Let's read it. It says, mark your calendar. The NYCHA Section 8 voucher applications opened on June 3rd. And this is the website you would go to, right? You can highlight this website and click copy and just go directly to it. It says, this is the first time in 15 years the Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher waitlist will open for new applicants. Interested households may apply between midnight on Monday, June 3rd and 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, June 9th, 2024. So keep those dates. So you got between June 3rd and June 9th to apply if you are interested. It says if you need assistance applying, call our office at 212-777-1010. The extension is 2 to set up an appointment for us to help, okay? So let's just get into it. My sister sent me the application. I'll take you to it. I want to share, excuse anything else that you see. Let's come out of this and let me go to it. Okay. So here's the first one right here. I'm going to click on it. I will leave a link in the box below of this video if you are interested. I just want to help. I just have this urge to want to help people. Okay. Oh, this is what we was just in. So that's that. So let's go to the next one, right? This one right here. Here we go. Okay. So we're in the New York City Housing Authority website. So it says apply for housing, check application status. But what you want to click on is this right here. I'll read it. It says public announcement reopening of NYCHA Section 8 waitlist. The New York City Housing Authority NYCHA reopened the waitlist for its Housing Choice Voucher Section 8 program on Monday, which is today, June 3rd, 2024 at 12 a.m. The application will be open until Sunday, June 9th of 2024 at 11:59 p.m. So pay attention to that. So it tells you to apply. You can visit, it says, on newyorkcity.gov/section 8-application. And then it tells you learn about eligible and other details on newyorkcity.gov/section 8/facts, answers, and questions, right? So you can click on that too. So if you want to go to the application, click this right now, right here, the first line. Click it. I already filled it out. And this is the website, and this is what it looks like. I will leave a link to these websites in the I can't say that word. I will leave it in the box below for you to go ahead on and apply. Okay, so you can start a new application. I already filled mine out because here it says return to completed application, which is me. And, I'll put in my information, which is here. This is me, and find my applicant. They're going to give you a reference number. Everybody reference number is different. It's assigned to your name, okay? So it says find the application because I filled this out like 7:30 in the morning. 7 o'clock in the morning, I filled it out, okay? So find application. And as you can see, this is my reference number, and I completed everything. Everything must be in a green circle with a check. Head of household, check, completed. Home and mailing address, completed. Language, completed. NYCHA income limits, completed. Spouse, domestic partner, or other adult significant other, completed. Family size is 2. Me and my daughter, completed. Other household members. I don't have no other household members, but it says completed. Reason for applying for housing assistance, completed. Current housing, completed. Additional information, completed. Declaration and general conditions of applying, completed. supplemental application for federally assisted housing completed. Okay, so it has been completed. Mine is already completed. I just wanted to share that with you guys. And we'll go back. Okay, we'll go back. So for you who are new, you're going to click on start new application. So you're going to click that start new application. And you're going to begin to fill in everything that's here. Do not leave anything out. You have to fill it out. You click on it, fill in all your information. Don't skip a beat. Don't leave anything out, because if you do, it's going to say incomplete, okay? Or incompleted. So fill everything out that you see. And when you finish filling it out, right? Once you fill the information out, it's going to say save and continue. Click on save and continue. Okay, you see that? So each section that you fill out, please click save and continue. That's how it's going to get the green circle and the white check mark that says completed. Okay, this is very important that you do that. So just fill everything out. Okay, click on each one. Head of household, fill it all in. Race, fill it in. I can't say that word. Fill this in. Ethnicity. I'm sorry. I'm tongue twisted, y'all. Fill it in. Which one it is. Citizen status. Fill it in. Please hit save and continue. Home and mailing address. Open it. Fill it out. Don't leave anything blank, because that's going to be a problem. And always hit save and continue after each section. When you see save and continue, please click on it, okay? Save and continue. Language. Speaking ability. Do you speak and understand English? Yes. Reading ability. Can you read and understand letters or documents written in English? Yes. And hit save and continue. NYCHA income limits, okay? I'm not sure. Okay, so you can click I certify that my household's annual gross income is within NYCHA's income limits. These are the income limits, right? Now, I don't know about all of this part. You can read into it and figure it out, but just fill everything in. Click that box right here that says I certify that my household's annual gross income is within NYCHA's income limits. Click it. Click save and continue. Next one, spouse, domestic partner, or other adult significant other. Click it, fill it out. Okay, you have to fill it out. Partner type. You may not have a partner, no spouse. Click no spouse. Save and continue. Your family size. How many people are in your family, okay? You know, so it says, is any member of the household pregnant? Yes, no. You know what to do. You can read, put your family size, whether it's 3, 4, 5, whatever. Click it. And just read everything carefully and always make sure you hit save and continue. Reason for applying for housing assistance. Click it. And here's the boxes that applies to you or don't apply to you. So it says at least one household member is mobility impaired and currently resides in housing that is not accessible. So if these don't apply to you, you're just going to click the 2 options above, do not apply to my household. The second one is either the head of household or spouse is an elderly person and a person with a disability. No. So if it doesn't apply to you, click the 3rd box. Click save and continue. Keep going. Current housing. Okay, are you currently a resident of a NYCHA public housing development? In my case, I clicked yes, because I am. Are you currently living in a federally funded subsidized unit, or are you a Section 8 voucher holder? You either put yes or no. Click save and continue. Additional information. Okay, criminal history. You got to fill it out. Don't leave anything blank. Okay. So be sure to answer the following questions fully. Falsification or omission of this information may lead to your disqualification as an applicant. So don't do it. Just fill everything in. Have you or any household members been convicted of a crime, a misdemeanor or a felony? Of course, my answer was no. If it's yes, then I guess you have to put yes, okay? A sex offender registration. Be sure to answer the following questions fully. Falsification or omission of this information may lead to your disqualifications as an applicant. Okay, so just fill everything in. And it says here, are you or any household member required to register as a lifetime sex offender in any state? Of course, my answer was no. Some people answer maybe yes. And you have to click it because if you don't, they can find out. They can find out about, your history. So it's giving you the option to be honest here, okay? So it says eviction from a government program. So you already know it says the same thing above. Just be sure to answer all the questions or you'll be disqualified as an applicant. So have you or any household member been evicted from a federal or public subsidized housing program? My answer was no. Click save and continue, okay? Declaration and general conditions of applying, okay? So click it. And it says, please read the following statements, then sign and date the application below. I'm excited about this because I've been trying to apply for Section 8 for years. Many years. And they said it's been 15 years since they opened it back up. So it says, read all of this stuff, guys. I understand that applications will be placed on the wait list via a random lottery, and that this application does not guarantee placement on the wait list, okay? But still, fill it out. I understand that this application is not an offer for a housing choice voucher Section 8 voucher. After I submit this application, I understand it is my responsibility to inform NYCHA of any changes in address, income, and or household composition, like how many people live with you, by calling the NYCHA Customer Center at 718-707-7771 or via my NYCHA self-service portal account. So you can go to that account and you can fill things in also. And it says all applications are subject to NYCHA's review and approval. So they're going to review it carefully. And it says, I understand that I should not make any plans to move or end my current tenancy at this time. If you do that and you living in NYCHA, excuse me, and this is available now, then you miss out. You're sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. You miss out if you leave, right? You're going to have to find another way to apply for Section 8. So I'm not sure how that works. So they say, I understand that I should not make any plans to move or end my current tenancy at this time. If you want to be eligible for this Section 8, then yes, don't do it. Do not move out yet. I declare that the statements contained in this application are true and correct, and that I have not knowingly or willfully made a false statement, given false information, or omitted information in connection with this application. I understand that providing willful false statements is a basis for rejection of my application. So if you lie, they can reject you straight up. Just like that. No, right? So it says, warning, providing willful false statements is a crime under Section 1001 of Title 18 of the United States Code. And then what you do after you write this carefully, head of household signature, date it. Save and continue. The last one, supplement to application for federally assisted housing. Click it open. Read everything, optional contact person or organization. Make sure you have a person that you can use that can be contacted in reference to you applying for your Section 8. Because let's just say they can't reach you. Maybe you're at work or you're out or your cell phone is off or is charging, anything, or your household phone number is acting up. If they have an option to contact someone close to you that you trust, fill this out. It could be your sibling. I put my sister. My sister filled in for this part, okay? So you put the name of the person, their telephone number, their cell phone. It's just so they can reach, because, hey, what if they're calling you in for an interview, right? You don't want to miss out. So fill all of this out. You can fill it out. I put emergency, okay? For my sister, when we filled this in for her, you got to fill out that person's address and everything, okay? So you're going to we put emergency. You can use these other options you feel that is fit for you or other reasons, and you fill this in, but you got to put your signature of the applicant. And of course, today is June the 3rd, 2024, and you hit save and continue, and that's it, guys. Okay. So I am happy to know that I was able to come to you because I want to help out. I've been doing that with the Housing Connect videos. I'm still waiting in Housing Connect. They have not contacted me, and it's been about a good 3 to 4 years now. So it's a long process. So when this came about, I said I have to jump on it. Okay. So I wish everybody the best. I'm going to link all the websites in the box below of this video, and you go check it out. Remember, it starts today and it ends June 9th. It ends June 9th before 11:59 p.m. So make sure you do it. Okay. But anyway, I want to thank you for watching this video and listening to this video, and I wish everybody the best of luck. Bye for now.